by myself, Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Department of Sociology, SK Jela College, Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Good morning, all of you, middle of part 2 students. Today, the topic is untouchability. In previous classes, I have already taught you that what is untouchability and what is definition of untouchability. Today, we will discuss about the problems which is faced by the untouchables and why that type of problem was within the society. So, one by one, we will talk about all the problems. Before discussing about problems regarding untouchables, in previous classes, I have already taught you that they have no any permission to enter in the temple, in any holy places. They are not allowed to listen to religious preaching, and they are not allowed to move on the road. So these all types of problem is with them. So untouchables in ancient society or till in the end of the 19th century, they are facing so many problems. But starting of the 20th century, our social reformers started so many social movements for the untouchables, or so that's why government, after seeing the problems of the untouchables, our Indian government have so many program and policy for the upliftment of them and for providing so many and started providing so many welfare programs for that untouchables, and they have made so many act regarding untouchables, the Untouchables Offence Act, and later on we will discuss about all the act related with the untouchables. Today, what is the problem? The problem which is in front of them is first religious problem, second social problem, third economic problem, and last but one, political problems. These are the problems in front of the untouchables. Today, we will discuss about the problem which is in front of the untouchables. First problem which is in front of them was, or still there is so many problems regarding religion. The first problem, restriction on temple entry and the use of holy places. I mean to say that जो अनटचेबल्स थे, अस्पृश्य थे, उनको मंदिर में प्रवेश और पवित्र स्थानों के उपयोग पर प्रतिबंध था. वो नहीं जा सकते थे. They will not enter into the or purified place known as the temple. They will not move to holy places. They are not allowed to listen religious preaching. So, and they are not allowed to do all worship of the God. So these are the problems regarding in front of the untouchables. why they are not able to listen the Ved or any other books, holy books. They are not able to read that holy books. They are not able to do any type of the religious work, because on social point of view they are recognized impure caste among Hindu. उनको अस्पृश्य माना गया था. उनको मंदिर में या किसी भी धार्मिक पवित्र स्थलों पर जाने की अनुमति नहीं थी. साथ ही साथ उनको धर्म से संबंधित कोई प्रवचन, वेदों ग्रंथों का ज्ञान या उसको श्रवण करने की भी छूट नहीं थी. यह एक बहुत बड़ी समाज की बुराई थी. Because they are also human. Why they were prohibited? Because they are living very dirty and they are doing all filthy work. So they are not allowed to enter in temple and any holy places, because there is some thinking of the higher caste people that they are not made for these all things. So there is a restriction in front of them. Now second problem, which is regarding religious problem, denied religious facilities. उनको सभी धार्मिक सुख सुविधाओं से वंचित कर दिया जाता था. They are not allowed to enter into the temple and they are not allowed to take, you can say, the prasad of any worship. They are not allowed to enter into the temple, but they are not allowed to take any prasad जो होता है पूजा पाठ में जो दिए जाते हैं, उनको भी लेने की छूट उनके साथ नहीं थी. और साथ ही साथ उनको भजन कीर्तन कोई भी तरह का पूजा पाठ करने का अधिकार नहीं दिया. दे आर नॉट एबल टू डू दिस ऑल एक्टिविटीज which is related with the worship. And Brahmins are not allowed to do any type of the worship in their house, because that is not made for them. This is the social thinking of the higher caste people. They are not allowed to do these all type of the things. And not only that, they are not allowed to, you can say, any type of worship. They are not allowed to do any type of the sanskar. There are 16 sanskar in Hindu society on the basis of religion or religious view. They are not able to do all these 16 sanskar. Only few of them is done by them, and they are not allowed to burn their dead body at that place where the higher caste people is going to burn. उनको जहाँ उच्च जाति के शव का जो सौदाह किया जाता था, वहाँ भी उनको सौदाह करने की छूट नहीं थी. उनको बहुत सारी समस्याएं उनके साथ जुड़ी हुई थी. कोई भी धार्मिक संस्कार, there is restriction on the editing of religious ceremonies. किसी प्रकार का धार्मिक संस्कार वगैरह करने की छूट नहीं थी. अस्पृश्य को जन्म से ही अपवित्र माना गया है, और इसी कारण इनके शुद्धिकरण के लिए संस्कारों की व्यवस्था नहीं की गई है. अगर if any higher caste people come in contact with the shadow of the untouchables, there is a provision of purification of that higher caste people. But untouchables are not allowed to do any type of this sanskar. कोई भी संस्कार नहीं कर सकते थे. उनको आजीवन अपवित्र रहना था. फॉर प्यूरिफिकेशन देर इज नो एनी प्रोविजन फॉर द अनटचेबल्स. सो इनमें से अधिकांश संस्कार जो है उनको पूरा करने की छूट उनको नहीं थी. अस्पृश्य को उन्हें दे आर नॉट एबल टू गो फॉर एनी टाइप ऑफ द एजुकेशन. They are not allowed to attend school. They are not allowed to do the sanskar of the Upanayan. Only twice one caste, according to M.N. Srinivas, only twice one caste are allowed to do the Upanayan sanskar. The untouchables are not allowed to do Upanayan sanskar. Chura karma sanskar is also not made for him. So these are the restrictions or the problem of the untouchables. And after going through this all type of the problems, our government have made so many program and policy, and they have in our constitution there is so many act related with the Untouchables Offence Act, वगैरह वगैरह. So there is another problem in front of the untouchables, that is known as the social problem. In social problem, but there is so many, because man is a social animal, and they live in society, and the society, with the help of through their different wing or the groups or the institution, they socialize the children who have taken birth in our society. So they have to face so many social problems. They are restricted. There is some restriction on social contact. They are not able to meet with another people in the society. They are not able to live within the village. They will not come in contact with the higher caste people. They have to live outside the village. They are not allowed to live within the village. So there are so many problems in front of them. First problem is in front of them is restriction on social contract. अस्पृश्य को सवर्ण हिंदुओं के साथ जो है सामाजिक संपर्क रखने की छूट नहीं थी. उनको कोई भी गोष्ठी या पंचायत हो या उत्सव हो या समारोह है, उनमें भाग लेने की आज्ञा भी नहीं थी. उन्हें किसी भी सोशल ओकेजन पर they are not allowed to take meal or take food with the higher caste people. They will take meal after higher caste people. When higher caste people will take their food in any social occasion, then after they are allowed to take food. Because when we will talk about the untouchables, untouchables is always remain impure in the society. बराबर उनको impure रहना है, अपवित्र रहना है. They are made for that, because their traditional occupation is to clean all the filthy things, dirty things from the society. So in the eye of the higher caste people, they are impure. They are always impure. That's why they are not allowed to enter into the purified places of the society. This is the problem, social problem in front of you. A restriction on the use of social goods, जो सार्वजनिक वस्तुओं के उपयोग पर भी प्रतिबंध था उनको. जो सार्वजनिक वस्तु क्या होता था, दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू टेक वाटर फ्रॉम दैट वेल from where the higher caste people is taking. They are not allowed to go in temple. They are not allowed to use any school. They are not allowed to go in school. On this way, there is so many problems in front of them. They are not allowed to wear a good clothes. They are not allowed to wear any gold. They are not allowed to, they are allowed to only take utensil of the bronze or the conch. So they are not allowed to use the silver or the gold. Strictly they are prohibited for using this type of the things. And the Shavan Hindu जो बस्ती थे, जो मोहल्ले थे, उनमें भी उनको आने की आज्ञा नहीं दी जाती थी. They are not allowed to enter into that one. And there is so many, you can say that the story related with the untouchables, which is written in our Manusmriti and other, they are not allowed to use the washerman, the barber, which is, and they are not allowed to wear the new clothes. They are not allowed to use that barber, which is used by the higher caste people. They will only use that clothes of the dead person, which is thrown by the higher caste people. They are not allowed to wear new clothes. They are not allowed to go to that barber. So there is so many restriction in front of them. And you can say that, we can say that they have to wear the ornaments which is made of the iron and the other thing, not of gold and silver. So this is their restriction on the use of the social goods. Now next problem is that which is related with the social problems, restriction on education and recreational facilities. उनको शिक्षा और मनोरंजन संबंधी सुविधाओं से वंचित रखा जाता था. उनका ये मानना था, the thinking which is in the thoughts which is in the mind of the higher caste people is that they are not able to use any recreational places known as the Chaupal, Mela, fair, and the Haat, which is in regular held in the villages. So they are not able to use this type of the thing. And they are not allowed to go to, they are not allowed for the schools, they are not allowed to visit the Chaupal or the Mela. They were only visited by the higher caste people. This is the restriction of education and recreational facilities. Now, we will feel we will become surprised after going to the system which is in our society, the hierarchy among untouchables. अस्पृश्यों के भीतर भी संस्तरण की बात, हायरार्ची की बात। एक तो ऊंची जाति के लोग उनसे पानी नहीं पीते थे, लेकिन जो अस्पृश्य थे, जो अछूत थे, जो अनटचेबल्स थे, उनमें भी हायरार्ची था। कुछ लोग ऐसे थे जो अपने ही जाति, जो अनटचेबल्स का ना पानी पीते थे, ना कुछ करते थे, नहीं वगैरह वगैरह। व्हेन वी विल डिस्कस, देन वी विल बिकम कन्फर्म दैट। एक आश्चर्यजनक बात यह थी कि स्वयं अस्पृश्य के भीतर भी धार्मिक संस्करण, सामाजिक संस्करण की व्यवस्था थी। सामाजिक अस्थिकरण, संस्करण में दिस सोशल, देयर इज सोशल हायरार्ची अमॉन्ग द अनटचेबल्स, अर्थात ऊंच नीच का भेदभाव उनके नीचे अंदर भी किया जाता था। ये लोग 300 से अधिक उच्च एवं निम्न जातियां थी। अमॉन्ग अनटचेबल्स more than 300 the caste, subcaste is higher in the comparison of the lower caste in untouchables, यानी निम्न जाति में भी उच्च जाति 300 से अधिक और निम्न जाति 300 से अधिक थे। जब when we will go through the deep study of all the social system, जिनमें प्रत्येक समूह की स्थिति एक दूसरे से स्वयं अछूतों के भीतर एक पृथक जाति के समान संगठन था। सवर्ण हिंदुओं के समान उनमें भी बहुत उच्च नीच की स्थिति थी। देयर इज सोशल हायरार्ची अमॉन्ग देम, उपजातियों का संस्करण था। अमॉन्ग देम, few of the untouchables is thinking that I am at the higher state of the social stratification, so we will not use all the untouchables who is below me. So this type of the hierarchy is hierarchy among untouchables is available. After listening these all things, the people who will hear that there is hierarchy among the untouchables, it is a very good question for all the peoples of the society. Then this type of the untouchables is recognized as a untouchables by the higher caste, but few peoples among untouchables is recognized as a lower subcaste in that अनटचेबल्स, यानी कि अस्पृश्य जाति में भी बहुत को हम उच्च मानते हैं, बहुत को निम्न मानते हैं और उनके द्वारा माना जाता है। एक बहुत बड़ा प्रश्न हम लोग के सामने आता है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम विच इज रिलेटेड विद द सोशल प्रॉब्लम, अनटचेबल्स एज ए फॉर्म ऑफ सेपरेट सोसाइटी। देयर इज सेपरेट सोसाइटी ऑफ द अनटचेबल्स। दे आर लिविंग एट द सेपरेट प्लेस, यानी कि कहने का मतलब एक पृथक समाज के रूप में अस्पृश्यों को अनेक समस्याओं से पीड़ित रहना पड़ा है, जिसमें एक बहुत बड़े समाजशास्त्री हैं जिनका नाम पन्नीकर है। उन्होंने कहा है कि जब जाति व्यवस्था जब यौवनावस्था में क्रियाशील थी, उस समय इन अस्पृश्य, जिसको पंचम वर्ग कहा, यानी 5th वर्ण कहा गया है अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम, कि स्थिति कई प्रकार से दासता से भी खराब थी। यानी कि दे आर नॉट इक्विवेलेंट टू द स्लेव। द लिविंग कंडीशन और द सोशल कंडीशन ऑफ द अनटचेबल्स इज वेरी, you can say that they are not good in the comparison of the slave. The social condition is very inferior, not good. They are not going to recognize as a slave. कम से कम एक स्वामी के अधीन, जैसे दास तो एक स्वामी के अधीन रहता है, इसलिए उसे अपने स्वामी के साथ ही व्यक्तिगत संबंध होते थे। लेकिन अस्पृश्य के परिवार पर तो गांव भर की दास्ता होती थी, का भार होता था। व्यक्तियों को दास रखने की बजाय प्रत्येक ग्राम के साथ कुछ अस्पृश्य परिवार एक किस्म की सामूहिक दास्ता के रूप में जुड़े होते थे। उच्च जातियों का कोई भी व्यक्ति किसी भी अस्पृश्य के साथ व्यक्तिगत संबंध नहीं रख सकता था। यानी कि देयर इज यूनिटी अमॉन्ग द हायर कास्ट एंड दे हैव यूनाइट in for the untouchables, that no one can use any untouchables in any type of the social activities in our society. They are not allowed to use any untouchables, and untouchables have their own society. They will solve their social problem, religious problem, economic problem, and the political problem among them. So in next classes we will talk about the economic and political problem related with the untouchables, and then after constitutional provision for the upliftment of the untouchables. So thank you for today, all of you, and in next classes we will continue this chapter, and then after there is so many there is very few chapter left for pre-law part 2 students, and this is also very important chapter. After this we will talk about the Sanskritization, Westernization or modernization. So thank you for today, all of you.